Israeli to stop buying Russian oil. Ito, gago talaga si Trump. Ang pakialam niya nagbebenta na Russia ng oil sa India. Karapatan ng Russia na magbenta. Walang pakialam sa laban nila sa Ukraine tsaka Russia yun. Yung langis. Paano mabubuhay ang Russia kung wala silang may export na langis. Direct attack, sovereign nation rights to choose which trading partner they want.
Roughly 1.75 million barrels a day, making it New Delhi's top supplier. This oil, bought below the EU's price cap of $47.60 per barrel,
$47 na lang eh.
helped India keep fuel prices stable for its 1.4 billion people and even export refined products for profit. But Trump, frustrated by Russia's refusal to agree to a Ukraine
Frustrated,
ceasefire by his August 8
Trump.
deadline, is
Dahil
turning
sa
up
Ukraine-Russia
100% tariffs on
ongoing
countries
pistok,
buying
di
Russian oil,
matuloy-tuloy.
accusing Russia's war machine